Now that we have our DNS Zone file created, we need to log into our GoDaddy account and make changes to the name servers. The domain name servers listed with our Domain Registrar must match the name servers listed in our DNS Zone file. Otherwise, our domain name will not work. Before we do that, let's go ahead and make sure our server is up and running. Click on the Linodes tab and go to the dashboard corresponding to the My Linode server. Click the boot button if your Linode is powered off. And we'll give that a couple of minutes to boot. Confirm that your server is up and running by accessing the default Apache webpage using your server's IP address. So I'll just go back to Linodes, copy my IP address and paste it. Okay, so the service hasn't started just yet, so we might have to wait another minute. Okay, so now it's up and running. Once that's complete, we can go ahead and amend our domain name settings with GoDaddy. Visit GoDaddy.com and log into your account. Now expand the Domains menu. Click Manage DNS. Click the Manage button under Name Servers. Change the setup type from Standard to Custom. Now click Add Name Server. Here, you'll need to add all the Linode name servers. So go back to your DNS manager in Linode. Click on the My Web Dev Course zone file. And these are all the name servers you'll need to add. And once you're finished, just go ahead and click OK. And then click Save. So you'll see a message that your request has been submitted, and it'll take a few moments to take effect. So we'll just give that about a minute or so, and we'll refresh the page to make sure that the change was processed. Okay, so we can see that the name servers have been updated. Now, because we only recently created our DNS Zone file, it could take up to 24 to 48 hours for us to be able to use our actual domain name. Sometimes it is instant. It really all depends. Okay, so you can see that it's working already. That was very quick. But again, if it doesn't work right away, give it 24 hours and it should be fine. Now that we're finished with that configuration, just go ahead and log out of your GoDaddy account. And you can also log out of Linode.